Good day, ma'am. My name is Glisanich Masinon from Bidel HA 1A, and this is my topic for group report. Real world example or case study like we have e-commerce, online market, and specific case study. And sa maka-example ko sa case studies, ICT education, improve accessibility, enhance learning experience, bridge the digital divide. Electronic case refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It allows business and consumer to conduct transaction online using website, mobile apps, and digital payment. So, di ba karon na tayo mga online shopping and online payment. So, it easy to us na lang to maka-access from palis atong gusto, and then buy just itong gusto, itong needs, and then mo lang. And sa an online market is a digital platform that connects multiple buyers and seller. So ang online yun nakatabang po siya sa mga tao nga maka-help, for financial problem, nakabaligyan na sila from online, maka-sell, and allowing them to trade goods and services. Example, Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba. And sa specific case studies is a food delivery that can easy to order food from online. This application help others to themselves because they do not have time to cook, so they just order from online food market. So, nga na siya sa mga workaholic na mga tao gyud. So, need nila na ning food market like food delivery app like Grab kay kanang hindi na sila makaluto, diretso na lang order, and then makakaon na dahil siya i-deliver to, then makakaon sila. Yan ang nakaroon. So very ng technology na gid karon ang gamit na gid halos ang technology. So and that's all, ma'am. Thank you.